Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. Let us see a term called MRO in brief. So, MRO stands for Maintenance, Repairs and Operating Supplies. The term is used to describe the set of operation and activities that are associated with the upkeep of the plant or facility, which can include the physical maintenance of the structure or building, the system that operate within the facility, and the equipment used to produce the plant or facility's primary business output. Types of facility operations and procurement spend. If you consider a manufacturing plant or facility as an example, there are variety of different operation and activities that take place within the facility on a daily basis. Production lines are operating which take material and parts from the suppliers and machine them or assemble them to finished product that are the main output for the business, which are called direct material. Incoming shipments of material and outgoing shipment of finished products are being managed. Production line workers are consuming different types of personal protection equipment as they operate the machinery. Lubricants, oil and cutting bits are being consumed as the production machinery is operating. Computer system and servers are running the plant's automated operations as well as supporting the overall IT function within the plant. The finance department is preparing the reports, consuming paper and printer inks. The facility's janitorial staff is consuming cleaning supplies and replenishment bathroom with the toilet paper and towels. And the facility manager is working to keep HVAC system operating, the lighting system functioning, and the external landscaping maintained. To support all these kind of operation, plant managers, engineers and procurement professionals must secure a variety of products and services to enable the facility remain operational, for the staff to have the supplies they need to do their job, and for the plant to continue to produce their products and services. The purchasing of different material, products and the services that are needed can be divided into two primary classes of spend: direct spend and indirect spend. Direct spend is defined to the purchasing of material, parts and services that directly associated with the production activities of the business. Specific example of MRO, which is an indirect business, is powered hand tools like drills, drivers, jigsaws, manual hand tools like screwdrivers, hammers, pliers, cutting bits, drill bits, replacement cutting blades, tools, bits used in production machine, clamp and joining tool, consumable item, adhesives, glues, sandpaper, emery cloth, welding, brazing or soldering supplies, PPE or production personal protection equipment. All this could be example of indirect material or MRO. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thank you.